This buttercream is light, silky and decadent. It goes so well with chocolate cupcakes and cakes. Buttercream is pretty simple to make, but there's some tips and tricks to make the perfect buttercream. I've shared with you how to make the perfect vanilla buttercream, and I've had lots of requests about making a chocolate buttercream, so today I'm sharing my favourite recipe with you. To start, let's have a quick look at what I'm using for this chocolate buttercream. Like any other buttercream, it's important to use room temperature butter, a good quality unsweetened cocoa powder, milk, icing sugar and vanilla extract. Okay, time to start making chocolate buttercream. To make chocolate buttercream, it starts off like a vanilla buttercream. You need butter. It's important the butter is at room temperature. Take it out of the fridge the night before. Mix on a medium speed until the butter is soft and increase to a higher speed for about 5 minutes. At this stage you should have a pale butter and it will have doubled in size. Scrape down the unwhipped butter from the sides of the bowl. We are now ready to add the icing sugar. I like to add a tablespoon at a time and whip until it's fully mixed in before adding another tablespoon and whipping again. I know this takes a little longer, but believe me, you'll have a softer, creamier buttercream for the sake of an extra few minutes. And I think it's worth it. The recipe for the chocolate buttercream is listed below in the description box. When all the icing sugar is combined, we can now add the cocoa powder. Use a good quality unsweetened cocoa powder and make sure you sieve it. I like to add vanilla extract as it deepens the chocolate flavour. Add half the milk. The amount of milk you need depends on the consistency you need and whether it's for piping, decorating a cake or if you live in a warm country. My buttercream is still a little thick, so I'm adding the remaining milk. Mix on a medium speed for another few minutes. Now we have a silky, smooth and soft buttercream, perfect for decorating a layered cake or piping over a cupcake. If you have any questions on how I'm doing this, comment below and I'll get back to you. Okay, now for the fun part, let's do some piping. Fill your piping bag with the buttercream. I'm using a 2D tip, it's one of my favourites. Other popular tips are the 1M and the 1B. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Make sure to subscribe or follow my page and check out my other buttercream recipe. Thanks for watching and see you next week for another Scrummy video.